Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tumpa and today I'll be doing this beautiful pink glittery shimmery eye makeup tutorial. It will be a full-fledged makeup tutorial. I will be using all the makeup products which usually a makeup artist does, except for the fake eyelashes which I have never used till now. Maybe in future videos I will. So my face is all clean, washed and moisturized, and now I will be using the first product, that is Swiss Beauty Primer. I will just take a little on my finger and dab it on my face throughout. Basically, a primer gives you a smooth surface to work with. It is easier to apply foundation, concealer after you have primer on, and also it kind of delays your sweating process. So primer is really good for summers, and people who have large pores can also use it because it fills in your pores and it gives you a smooth, flawless surface. Product is full coverage concealer from Miss Claire and I am in the shade number 7. I also have Pro Concealer from LA Girl and I have been using LA Girl product for a long time. So today I am going to use Miss Claire product. So this is also a first impression for me. This is the first time I'll be using it. The texture felt quite creamy and thick. So people who have dry skin issue, this is a good concealer for them. Otherwise, some concealers make your skin dry and makes your concealer look cakey. However, this one also gets cakey if you apply too much. But otherwise the coverage is really good and they have a huge range of shades. I'm blending the concealer with a wet beauty blender, which I rarely use. I prefer using my fingers. Next product is again a new product, First Impressions Essence All About Matte Oil Free Makeup. It's a new foundation and I'm in the shade 20 Matte Nude. The price was $399 on purple.com and I got it for $259. There was 35% off. I saw some reviews on YouTube. Oh, my husband just couldn't resist peeping in. Alright, so this says that it gives a medium coverage and it is a 12 hours long lasting foundation. I will do a separate review for this product. So yeah, I will go ahead and blend this using a brush. This is the first time I'll be using a brush to blend my makeup, and I know this is not the right brush, so I will just hold it closely like in a pinching way so that the brush feels dense, and do not press the brush too hard on your skin. Like, it should be very light strokes, so that is how you blend the foundation. However, I always use my fingers. Very rare I use a beauty blender, and this is the first time I'm using a brush and the result was quite good. I liked it. I know I started looking like a white toast right now, but then I will fix it once I apply contour and other colors and bring it back to normal. The next product is LA Girl HD Eyeshadow Primer. This is again another new product I ordered from Nykaa.com. So basically this is a primer which you use before you start your eye makeup. If you do not have a eye primer, you can always use any concealer. Select a shade lighter than your own skin tone and then lock it with a loose powder or compact and then start your eye makeup. So it's all about getting a smooth, nice base to work with your eyeshadows. Also, a good light color base helps you to play with the bright popping colors. Next, I'll use Maybelline Dream Matte Powder. Not sure if it is available in India. Mine is a US based product and I will provide the link for Amazon.com, and it is available on Amazon.com for 2000 something, or else just go ahead and use Maybelline Fit Me Compact, which is very affordable. Next, I'm using Maybelline New York Fashion Broke Cream Pencil. It's dark grey shade. I'll provide the link. So yeah, I just use slight strokes. I'm not a person who likes those box kind of eyebrows which everyone makes these days. I know people like it. fine, but I just don't like. They look very artificial. So I just fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows where I have less hair, and I just keep it looking natural. So very bushy, big, square box eyebrows, no, I don't like them. So I just make slight strokes, and this product is really nice. The next I'm going with Makeup Revolution Redemption Palette Hot Smoked. Again, Makeup Revolution Redemption Palette, and this is Mermaids versus Unicorns. I'm using this bright magenta pink shade, and this is one of the most favorite shade of mine in this palette. It looks very pink on the screen, but it's a very nice ruby pink kind of color. Taking loose powder before I start with the darker eyeshadows, so that if I have any fallout, they will fall on the loose powder and I can dust it off. Now I'm using the dark purple shade from the same palette, and this is to create the smoky eyes. Using the LA Girl eyeshadow primer, I'm going to clean up my eyebrows and also highlighting it at the same time. And using a small flat brush, I'm going to blend it in a downwards direction, and again slowly blending it with the rest of my skin tone on my forehead. Now I'm using a slightly fluffy brush to dust off the loose powder, and if there was any fallout during the blending of the eyeshadows. Yes, this is a Wet n Wild glitter I recently bought, and again this is a first impression. Small flat brush I will be using. It already has a creamy consistency, so fingers are a better option. Now taking black matte eyeshadow from the first eyeshadow palette I showed, just a tiny dot is more than enough, because if you take too much black, it will turn out totally black and the purple will not show. Using Lakme black eyeliner now to create a wing, and I don't know why I smiled. Again from the same palette, taking brown matte shadow, and I will be highlighting my outer lower lash line. So this will give me a smoky effect. So after the brown, I'm going to use this purple from the same palette and again put it on my lower lash line. So this will give a purple smoky effect. Now I'm taking this light purple shade to highlight my inner corners. Next I'm going with Faces Pro Intense Gel Kajal, and it is a very intense black. You can see how much is left. Good for creating smoky eyes, and the other side is sponge applicator with which you can smudge the kajal and get that smoky eyes look. Finally, time for some contouring. Again, Makeup Revolution, and this is Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. Ultra Light Medium C04 is my shade. So this palette basically has contouring shade, a highlighter and a bronzer. So bronzer can be used as a blush. Contouring my cheekbones, jawlines and nose. Although my features are quite sharp right now because I lost some weight. Otherwise, when you have like double chin, that's when contouring is more effective. But I could have skipped that step, but I didn't because I wanted to show how contouring is done. Using the same contour from the same palette, I'm adding back color to my face, basically bringing back my skin tone to normal. Now taking the highlighter from the same palette and highlighting my brow bones, and also my nose. Now using the Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara, Maybelline New York Color Show Blush, using the highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. For more precise, sharp contouring, I am using the same Maybelline Dream Matte Compact. Now I am going to use this makeup setting fixing spray. This is the first time I will be using this product, and I know, sorry for these funny faces I am making, because I was a little skeptical before using this. However, this is a good thing if you are using makeup in summers. I personally do not need this because I do not sweat much on my face. Using a new lipstick from Blue Heavens, and this is Chocolate Mood, feels very hydrated on your lips. At the same time, it is a matte lipstick. And I am done. So I will attach some filtered pictures on the screen, which you can see, and without any filter or any warm lighting, the video is playing in the background. So yeah, enjoy the pictures and the video with and without filter, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Share, like, comment. Thank you. Can you